and out the other, and then you'll see when they get full, it goes into this overflow tank back here. You get your fill, and let them go. Sort of feed them up down the bottom there. It sits in the back here. We blow them out with air. That air operated pump gets the dust out. Doesn't take a lot of pressure. And fortunately, the fills are all running really solid. More bottles, close this off front here. And that's all it takes to bottle whiskey. And there's 1,000 bottles we're running today. You can do about a case a minute. And I've got good folks helping me here today, so we have enough a case a minute. So really you can do 90 cases in 90 minutes if you can stay at it that long, but you really can't. It takes about 2 hours. The suction works back there with your light, but other than that, I mean, it's real simple.